it says a trapezium ABCD has a side AD parallel to BC. So the parallel sides have been given to us, and BAD is equals to 90 degree. That is also given to us. BC turns out to be equals to 3 centimeter and AD turns out to be equals to 8 centimeter. Let's try and draw a trapezium with angle BAD being equals to 90 degrees. So let's say if this is the angle BAD that we are referring to. So we will get this angle over here as 90-degree angle. And then we say that BC is parallel to AD. AD is parallel to BC is what was given to us. So suppose this is BC that you are looking at, and then you are joining this C and D to complete the trapezium for us, right? Now BC turns out to be equals to 3 centimeters and AD turns out to be 8 centimeters. So if I drop a perpendicular from here and this total length is 8 centimeters, then we realize that if I mark this point as E, then this length will turn out to be 3 centimeters and ED would then turn out to be equals to 5 centimeters. We also know one more thing, which is the perimeter of the trapezium. So out of this perimeter of 36 centimeters, let me remove these two sides BC and AD which are given to us. So that total becomes 11. So 36 minus 11 turns out to be 25. So now if I take AB as a side as that of A centimeter long, then what will happen over here? This side CD will turn out to be 25 minus A centimeter long, right? Now, if you look at the triangle CED, this is a right angle triangle where CE should also be equals to A centimeters because it is forming a rectangle, right? So if CE is equals to A centimeters, then you can apply your Pythagoras theorem over here and say 25 minus A whole square of this, which is hypotenuse square, is equals to perpendicular square, which is A square, plus ED square, which is 5 square, right? So let's just try and solve this. This will give me a 625 plus of A square minus of 50A becomes equals to A square plus of 25. So A square gets cancelled out. You have a 600 to be equals to 50A, and A would then turn out to be equals to 12. Now, if A turns out to be equals to 12 and you want the area of this figure, you can break this area into two parts. If you do not know the area of a trapezium, then you can draw it into two parts, a rectangle as well as a triangle. What will be the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle will be A is turning out to be 12. So 12 into 3 becomes 36. That is the area over there. And what will be the area of the triangle CED, which is half base length, which is 5, into the height CE, which is going to be equals to 12. So this is 2 6 12. The total length turns out to be 36 plus of 30, which is 66 square centimeters as the answer for this question.